Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add a page or pages to your PDF. So as you can see, there's only 2 pages on this PDF. And if I want to go ahead and add a new page, I cannot do that. So what you want to do is go ahead, open this up. I love pdf.com. And here you can go ahead and merge PDFs. So for example, if you have a lot of PDFs, you can go ahead and merge them. If you want to go ahead and add just one page, you can go ahead and turn your PDF to Word, then add a page, and again, Word to PDF. So let's today merge two PDF files. You can drop them here or select the files. Now, once you selected one file, you can go ahead and click plus sign and add another one. You can also use Google Drive and Dropbox. Now here you have 2 PDFs, and now you can go ahead and merge them. After that, just download your merged PDF. Go ahead, open it up, and now here you have 4 pages. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.